Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to our, you're not gonna believe this, ready for this? January 2022 Stamp Club reveal. I cannot even believe this. 2022, we're already there. Last year felt like it flew by. Let's hope 2022 kind of slows down and settles in a little bit and it's a good year, right? We're going to start off on a good note. I'm really, really excited. So let me just tell you. First off, this is our stamp club. If you've never been a part of our stamp club, the information for that is in the description below. It's a super fun club. It's a mystery club. So that's why we reveal it every month. And you get a 4x6 stamp set for $11.99 if you're in the US, $13.49 if you're outside of the US, and it's free shipping. So that's literally at $11.99 or $13.49, and you get a discount in our store as a stamp club member. So consider joining. Be a fun thing for the year. Now, I've wanted one of these for the longest time. Like I have wanted one probably 4 or 5 years, but I just couldn't decide exactly how I wanted it to lay out. And so Sylvia and I spent a lot of time on this one and we dug in real deep and figured this one out, and I love how it turned out. So I want to show you. This set is called Postcard Builder. I have been wanting this because it fills these gaps. It gives you this vintage feel that you can use for actual postcards, you can use for backgrounds, you can use for mini postcards, M-I-N-I postcards, also M-A-N-Y. I'll show you both of those. But I just love this. Now, we went all out. We tried to fit as much as we could. Look how tight we got these. Because of that, I'm pretty sure these right here are going to bleed together when you get them, but you can just cut them right apart. But I tried to get everything else to not do that. But there are so many cool, cute ways to use this stamp set. I'm going to show you today in our samples, and Saturday in my video, in my As Many As, you're going to see it used there as well. But I love it. We tried to give you an image for every occasion. So no matter what you were doing, we've got wedding rings, a cupcake, the word joy, we've got an airplane, we got a bunny rabbit, we got a crown, we got a heart, we got a pumpkin, we got balloons, we got stars, we got a palm tree. Yeah, we did a palm tree. We got a blue ribbon, because if you want to sound like a congrats one, like blue ribbon and yay. Then we've got a 4-leaf clover, a Christmas tree, a snowman, an envelope with a heart coming out of it, arrows that can be used anywhere, that arrow. This is like a divider you can put between different images. The word yay, love, joy, postcard, celebrate, greetings. And this little guy, which I don't know what it's called, but we saw it all over every vintage postcard we could find. And it looks like this, so you can put all these images either in here with a word here, or you can put the images in here or in here. These smaller words fit inside of here. It's so cute. Plus, we gave you these. Now, you stamp these like this. You stamp it in one color, you clean it off, and then you slightly offset it and stamp it in the second color. And we gave you a long one if you want to do across the top, and then we gave you a shorter one to do on the sides. Honestly, you could do it all with this one, but she wanted to give you two just in case it made more sense to you. So super easy, and you don't have to do 2 colors. You could just do 1 color. Let me show you some samples because they're real good. First off, our friend Kim Dixon came and picked up the stamp set and did a sample for you. So she did the little blue and red on the sides. Here's the little journaling lines. And again, I try to keep my journaling lines wide so people can really write. She's got her stamp and her little wavy lines. And this, if you remember, is from our last set, which is called All in Love. I had to think of it for a second. She used the little heart and the words from there to create her postcard. And then I have more samples. Check this one out. So Saturday, you're going to be seeing me do a As Many As card set, okay? So I decided for one of the set of cut-aparts, these are the 4x6 cut-aparts, that I was going to turn them into postcards. So look what I did. I made postcards. Now, we contacted the post office. We made sure of the size that was needed for postcards, which are 4x6. We made sure that you could still mail postcards. You could still use postage stamps. You still can. So all of these now are postcards for me to use throughout the year. And I love that because you'll hear me say this in the video that I do Saturday, but I was sitting there thinking when I was making these, all of the people that a postcard makes more sense to me. You know, maybe there's somebody you just met in Sunday school, or maybe you have a buddy that you just want to send happy birthday just thinking about you, not a whole card. What a cool idea to make things like this, keep them in your stash, grab them for all occasions, right? Plus, when you're filling these out, you can just write a quick little note and not have to write, you know, a big like sentimental post or something like that. It's just something quick you want to tell somebody. And the thought that you took the time to do something like this would be so cute. So this is 12 postcards. Then my final one, which I love, because as much as I want that to be an actual postcard builder, look at it used in your card making. I love this. So this is like a little tiny mini postcard. Matter of fact, let me give you the measurement because you might want to make one of these. The postcard I used on this is an A2 card, and that little postcard is 4 3/4 by 3 1/4. So if you want to make this, that's what I did, and I did a little border around the inside. This is from the Mente wedding book. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. It's gorgeous. This book, I fussy cut these images. All of these images came from there. The heart, the Mr. and Mrs., the little bride and groom outfit, all of that came from there. And you can see here, instead of stamping in red and blue like you normally do, I did a gray and pink background. And I just thought this was really, really pretty and very feminine, or very soft, maybe more just wedding, not so feminine. And in the background, you can see I took the word celebrate and just stamped it in some lines across the back, so it would have a little bit of interest back there too. I think using it in your card making, use it in your scrapbooking. How cute if you're a scrapbooker and you can do postcards from where you're visiting, make them yourself with your own photos, put them in there, maybe have the picture on the front and then flip it up and the postcards on the back, and that's where you do your journaling. Come on, that'd be super cute, right? So lots of uses for this one. Let me bring my samples back over. I'll lay it where you can see the postcard side, and then there's Kim's sample there. But I just think the possibilities are endless, and this is our little guy. Just the stamp alone, all the images you can put inside here, fussy cut this little guy out, which would be nothing, just a rectangle cut, and put it all over. Oh, it's so cute. There's so much we can do with it. You could decorate envelopes with it. Wouldn't that be cute? So many possibilities. So that is your stamp set this month, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we are going to enjoy it. Now listen, if you have never been here before, if this is your first time, if you purchase this stamp set either through the club or just from our regular store, because it will be available for you to purchase as well, and you make a project with it and you post it on our customer gallery, you're entered to win a $50 gift card from our store. And we give a $50 gift card away every month, and the winner is in the description below. So the first line of the description will be our winner from last month's giveaway. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our club, being a part of our whole subscriber world here. We love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. I'm just loving the postcard idea. I'm all about it, especially when I made these and I thought, man, I want a stack of these at home. So when I'm like, I need to let so-and-so know I'm thinking about them. This is the perfect way to do it, right? All right, guys, thank you so much for being here today. And until next time, bye now.